Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Toyota's 95 to 04 Tacoma. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or jack your vehicle and support it with jack stands. Remove any factory or aftermarket accessories and drop your gas tank for purposes of safety and to gain clear access to your vehicle's frame. Step 3. Remove your vehicle's bed, rear bumper, and hitch. We cover how to do this in another video linked below. Starting with the rear. Step 4. After removing the bumper and hitch, place the stiffener into place. Take note of its coverage and begin cleaning the frame of any rust and debris. Revealing bare metal. Step 5. Put the part back into place and C-clamp it to the frame. Tack the part and begin welding it around all edges and weld slots. Moving to the over axle, Step 6. Remove your vehicle's rear wheels. Next, the driver's side is clear, but the passenger side will require the exhaust hanger to be removed with a 12mm socket. Step 7. Place the stiffeners up to the frame, using the body mount brackets and bolt holes as reference points, and take note of any obstructions. Begin cleaning the frame of any rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Step 8. Place the stiffeners and C-clamp and tack weld them to the frame. Step 9. While clamping the stiffener into shape as you go, weld the stiffener around all edges. Next up is the mid-frame. Step 10. Place the stiffeners up to the frame, using the bed mount brackets as a reference point. Take note of its coverage, and begin cleaning the frame of any rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Step 11. Replace the part and C-clamp and tack weld it to the frame. And begin welding it around all edges. Moving up to the undercab frame. Step 12. Hold the stiffener up to the frame, using the center frame hole as a reference point. Take note of its coverage and begin cleaning the frame of any rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Step 13. Replace the part and C-clamp it to the frame. While taking care not to damage the body, tack weld the part. Next, begin welding around all edges and weld slots. Finally, moving to the front frame. Step 14. Remove your vehicle's front wheels. With a body clip remover, remove any inner liner that is in the way. Step 15. Hold the part up to the frame and take note of its coverage. Begin cleaning the frame of any rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Step 16. Replace the part and clamp it to the frame. Tack it to the frame and begin welding it along all edges and weld slots. Begin reassembling your vehicle. Reconnect your battery, and you're done.